In the dark streets of Victorian London, a series of gruesome murders shocked the world. The case of Jack the Ripper, an unidentified serial killer, remains one of the most mysterious and unsolved crimes in history. As the night falls, the city becomes a playground for terror. Jack the Ripper's victims, all women, were brutally attacked and mutilated. The killer's identity, however, remains a haunting enigma. The streets are shrouded in mystery as we delve into the chilling details of the case. The Ripper's modus operandi, the precision of his attacks, and the sheer audacity of his crimes continue to baffle investigators to this day. The world was captivated by the fear and horror that Jack the Ripper instilled. The media frenzy surrounding the case only added to the mystique. Speculations and theories abound, but the truth remains elusive. As we explore the dark corners of this unsolved case, we are confronted with the chilling reality that Jack the Ripper may never be unmasked. The unanswered questions and the lingering sense of dread continue to captivate our imagination. Join us on this journey into the heart of darkness as we unravel the secrets of Jack the Ripper. Through stock images and eerie visuals, we will bring to life the atmosphere of fear and uncertainty that gripped Victorian London. Prepare to be immersed in a world of mystery and intrigue as we delve into the mind of a killer who forever changed the course of history. The story of Jack the Ripper, an unloved case that shocked the world, will leave you questioning the boundaries of human evil. This is a tale that will send shivers down your spine, a story that will keep you on the edge of your seat. Brace yourself for a journey into the unknown as we uncover the secrets of Jack the Ripper, a case that continues to haunt us to this day. Get ready to be captivated by the enigma of Jack the Ripper, a mystery that will forever remain unsolved. Before we bid farewell to the shadowy streets of Victorian London and the chilling tale of Jack the Ripper, we'd like to remind you to hit the like button if you've enjoyed this journey into the heart of darkness. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more spine-chilling content. Your support helps us bring these captivating mysteries to life. Stay tuned for more thrilling content like the unsolved mysteries of the Bermuda Triangle and the chilling tales of the haunted castles of Europe. We appreciate your support and can't wait to take you on another thrilling journey. Until then, keep your curiosity alive and stay tuned for more. Thank you.